Here's the K1 radio alarm clock with USB charger. There's the box there, as it says there, K1 radio alarm clock with USB charger. It has two alarms in it, as you can see, these two buttons on the side there. That's for the two alarms, and the big round knob on the top, this here, is for setting the clock. Or it shows the time and temperature, room temperature. And if I turn around at the back, this is how you set it up. You've got a choice between centigrade or Fahrenheit on the top left-hand corner, 12 hours or 24-hour time, which is the top right-hand corner, and you've got all of your radio modes in the middle bit there. That's for your particular radios. And as you can see there, USB 1, USB 2, and auxiliary in for the particular radio. It's a lead that you get with this particular clock radio. Also, you can alter the dimness, the particular brightness of this particular radio as well. It's quite good actually. 4, 5. That's the brightest mode there. And it cost me £13. It's a very good bedside clock radio, and I'm really pleased with it. Inside the box, you get a radio aerial, which you plug into the back of the clock radio, and you get an instruction manual, which is quite self-explanatory, and it shows you how to set up the particular radio and how to use it. So that's what comes with it. So that's it anyway. That's this particular radio, bedside radio, the K1 radio alarm clock with dual USB charger. So I hope you liked this video, and if you do, if you'd like to like the video or subscribe to his channel, that would be amazing. Okay, peace out. See you in the next one.